Are you looking to buy CBD but don't know which one to buy just yet? In this video, I'm going to tell you about the 3 strain categories that you need to know about before you go shopping. Let's get to it. Welcome back to CBD Media Network. I am your host, Vegas Big Rob. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 3 strain categories that you need to know about so you can buy the correct CBD. But before you buy, you'll need to have a better understanding of how each strain category will affect you. For example, CBD comes in 3 strain categories, and each category will affect you differently. Knowing this information will help you make the right decision when you're shopping for CBD. The first of the 3 strain categories that I'm going to talk about today is a Sativa. Sativa is a strain category that is perfect for daytime use. It's uplifting, it helps with creativity, helps fight depression, energetic, it's a head high, so you're not going to be locked on the couch, and it's definitely great for focus, and it's perfect for daytime use. Now, before I go on to strain category number 2, I wanted to ask you, which strain category are you using and why? Comment below. I would love to learn more about why you're using CBD. The second strain category that I'm going to talk about today is Indica. Now, Indica is commonly used at night when you're about to close out your day and you're not going anywhere. Indica strain categories are known to be sedating, calming, body buzz. It helps with loss of appetite, pain and nausea, stress and anxiety, and like I said, it's best if it's used at night. The third and final strain category that I'm going to talk about is a hybrid. Now, a hybrid is basically a strain category that carries both Indica and Sativa. It's a bit more tricky and it may be a little more intimidating, but it's not. Have no fear. When you're looking for a hybrid, it's because you're looking for something that's going to give you uplifting and energy and keep you going on your day-to-day functions, but also carries the Indica side that'll be for pain, nausea, stress, or anxiety, and so forth. So you're going to have to do a little more digging on the right strain for yourself. But if a hybrid is the way you're going, always make sure you find out which one is the dominant side, because that will help you understand whether you could smoke this or eat it, or whichever way you're going to intake your CBD and be off on your morning run, or you're going to take it at night before you go to bed. That's all it really is. It's pretty simple. Understand these 3 categories a bit more, and you'll be shopping for CBD like a pro in no time. I hope this video was helpful. Please be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Put your comment below. If this video taught you anything new, please feel free to share it. Thank you for watching the CBD Media Network. I am Vegas Big Rob. I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day.